Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, we have studied in the last sessions lesson number 1, Ad-Darsul Awwal Al-Hiwar from Modern Prose Unit 2. We have completed Al-Hiwar means dialogues, and we have completed the full dialogues of the two characters of that lesson, Abdullah and Abdurrahman, in Arabic. We learned the translation of their dialogues. Inshallah, we can make many more sentences on the basis of those dialogues. Now, in this session, we are going to study Al-Tamari exercises of Al-Hiwa, exercise of the lesson number 1, Ad-Darsul Awwal Al-Hiwa. Okay, Tamreen singular form exercise, At-Tamarin plural form exercises. First, number 1 in exercises, Ma'anil Mufradat. In the book it is given only Mufradat, Al Mufradat, the single words. So we are giving the meaning also in English. So meaning of the words. Ma'anil Mufradat, meaning of the words, meanings of the words. First word is Talib. Talibun mean a student. Student. Talab karne wala. The bracket it is written Alladhi yatlubul ilm. The person who seeks knowledge. The person who seeks knowledge. तलब करने वाला, इल्म का तलब करने वाला. That's why we translate in Urdu तालिब इल्म. तालिबुन तालिब इल्म, इल्म का तलब करने वाला, student. In Hindi we say विद्यार्थी. Vidya means knowledge, arthi means the one who seeks it. So likewise in Arabic तालिबुन तलब करने वाला, الذي يطلب العلم, the person who seeks knowledge, a student. So in your exams you may be given the first word talibun, then directly you can write student. So in the book, the words, the single words, the mufradat and the words are explained in Arabic also. So I wrote it in the bracket here. If you are able to learn, then it's okay. Otherwise, you will have to learn the first word talib and its meaning in English. If you are able to learn in Arabic also, it's okay. But if you are not able to learn in Arabic, then first word talib, then its meaning student. This part we will have to learn by heart. Okay. Next word jadidun. Jadidun new. Al kitab jadid, the book is new. Al qalam jadid, the pen is new. Like this. The jadidun means jadid new. In the bracket in Arabic it is written Lidul qadim, opposite of old. Lid means opposite, al qadim, qadim, old. The opposite of old. That is new, jadid. So remember these words. The first one here, jadid, and the English word, new. In Urdu, you already know, now. Then ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan, kalimatu tarheeb, welcome. Kushamadid. In Urdu, we can say kushamadid. Kalimatu tarheeb, the words for welcoming. Ahlan wa sahlan means the word for welcoming someone. So these are the words to welcome someone in Arabic. Ahlan wa sahla wa marhaba also. Ahlan wa sahla wa marhaban bika. It is your the complete words are used in the lesson. So ahlan wa sahla means welcome. Kushamadi. Okay, greeting word. We can say a greeting word. Kalimatu tarhim is a greeting word. So ahlan wa sahla, if you are given, you can write welcome. Within bracket you can write a greeting word. A greeting word. Okay. Then shahraini. Shahraini means 2 months. This words also this word also we learned this word in the lesson. Shahru means month, Shahraini 2 months. If we add any if we add ani or aini to any single word, we will get the dual form. Tatniya. 2. 2 months. Kitabun, kitabaini, 2 books. Qalamun, qalamaini, 2 pens. Or qalamani, kitabani, 2 pens, 2 books, like that. Okay, shahraini, 2 months. So shahrun in Arabic, it is used for month, not for city. In Urdu, we use shahr means city. Hyderabad ka shahr. So it is not like that in Arabic. Shahr means month. We use Shahru Ramadan, Shahru Rajab, Shahru Muharram. Now this month is Muharram, Shahru Muharram, Muharram ka mahina. So Shahrain, 2 months. Tathniyatu Shahr, the dual number of Shahr, Shahr month. Okay. So Shahraini, 2 months. Next word, Qadimta. You can see on the screen. Qadimta. Tu आया, तुम आए या आप आए. सिंगुलर है वर्ड. रेस्पेक्ट देके हम उर्दू में ट्रांसलेशन कर आप आए. तो कदीमता सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल में नहीं है. कदीमता इट इज नॉट प्लूरल वर्ड, सिंगुलर. कदीमता यूके, यूके. जीता another word in Arabic. So the word that is used in book in our lesson, that is qadimta, UK. Okay. Now tadrusu, you study. Tadrusu, you study. Another word for tadrusu is in Arabic taqraw. So the words are used in the book, that they are used in the first here, right side. Okay, and its meaning in English here direct, and the bracket another meaning, another word in Arabic for the same word for the first word. And if you learn these words also, it's okay. Otherwise you will have to learn the first one here. They are used in the lesson and their meaning in English here. Satadrusu, taqraw, you study, you read. Okay. There in the sentence, the dialogue, Aina tadrusu, where do you study? Aina tadrusu, where do you study? The sentence was, the word was used in that sentence like that. Now, kulliyatun, college. Kulliyatun, college. Tadrusu, you study. आप पढ़ते हैं या तुम पढ़ते हो, ये माना है. कुल्लियतुन, कॉलेज. कॉलेज तो कुल्लियतुन कॉलेज. मुअस्ससतुन तालीमिया, यानी तालीमी इदारा, तालीमी बुनियाद, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट. ओके, इदारा कर सकते हैं आप, तालीमी इदारा. तो ये वर्ड्स याद कर सकते तो करिए, या नहीं तो ओनली वो स्टार्टिंग वर्ड और इंग्लिश में देना ट्रांसलेशन. देन नेक्स्ट वन अदरुसु. सो तदरुसु ये सेकंड पर्सन, अदरुसु फर्स्ट पर्सन में ही है. अदरुसु, आई स्टडी. अदरुसु, आई स्टडी. अकरउ, अनदर वर्ड, आई स्टडी. ओके, अकरउ है ये, इकरा नहीं है. इकरा अगर कहीं अलिफ को हमजा को कसरे के साथ, बिल कसरा जेर के साथ इकरा पढ़े तो पढ़ो. इकरा बिस्मि रब्बिकल लज़ी खलक़, कुरान शरीफ सूरा है. ये अक़रउ है, अक़रउ, आई स्टडी. ओके. अल-लुगात, languages. Al-lughat, languages. Here it is written in the bracket jam'ul lugha, the plural of lughat. Lughat means language, singular. Lughat, plural. Al-lughat, plural, languages. जुबानें. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वर्ड है तस्तयक़िज़ु, you get up. तस्तयक़िज़ु, you get up in the morning and from sleep. तस्तयक़िज़ु, you get up from sleep, particularly in the morning. तनहज़ु, another word in Arabic. So तस्तयक़िज़ु, you get up. You get up from sleep in the morning. Complete meaning, it is like that. Taskunu, you stay. Another word for that in Arabic, ta'ishu. Taskunu, you stay. Another word, ta'ishu, तुम रहते हो. ta'ishu means तुम रहते हो. Taskunu, तुम रहते हो, you stay. तस्तयक़िज़ु, तुम उठ जाते हो, you get up. तुम सुबह में कितने बजे उठ जाते हो. तो तस्तयक़िज़ु, तुम उठ जाते हो, उठते हो। और तईशु यू स्टे, तस्तयक़िज़ु तनहज़ु यू गेट अप, तस्कुनु तईशु यू स्टे, तस्कुनु यू स्टे, आप रहते हो, तस्कुनु तू रहता है, आप रहते हैं, तुम रहते हो, यू रिसाइड, यू स्टे। नेक्स्ट वन तुसल्ली, तुसल्ली यू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, तुसल्ली यू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, तुम नमाज पढ़ते हो या आप नमाज पढ़ते हैं। सो तुसल्ली यू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, तुअद्दी अस्सलाह, तुम नमाज अदा करते हो, आप नमाज अदा करते हैं। अनदर वर्ड इन अरबिक for the same word तुसल्ली। सो तुसल्ली यू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, आप नमाज पढ़ते हैं। ओके, और उसका ये सेकंड पर्सन है, फर्स्ट पर्सन है उसल्ली। हम नमाज में भी नियत करते हैं उसल्ली फर्ज़ुल ज़ुहर, उसल्ली फर्ज़ुल ज़ुहर, मैं ज़ुहर की नमाज अदा करता हूँ। बाकी जो भी कहना कहते नियत में। तो तुसल्ली यू ऑफर प्रेयर, तुम नमाज अदा करते हो, उसल्ली मैं नमाज अदा करता हूँ। तो तुसल्ली सेकंड पर्सन है, तुअद्दी अस्सलाह यू ऑफर प्रेयर्स, तुम नमाज अदा करते हो या आप नमाज अदा करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन अल हाफिला, अल हाफिला इज यूज्ड इन द लेसन बस, बस transport, transport bus. Okay, al hafila, al bus another word in Arabic. So al hafila, al hafilatu bus. Next word is the verb tatakallamu, you talk, tatakallamu you talk, you speak, tatakallamu you talk or you speak. Another word in Arabic tatahaddathu, same meaning. So first you will have to learn these first words, then the English translation. Okay, in the book Urdu also written, Urdu translation also written, page number 20 and 21 this book. So tatakallamu you talk, tatahaddathu you talk or you speak. Asimatun, next word asimatun, capital city. Asima means capital city. Maqaman markaziyun li wilaya, it is written in Arabic here explaining Asima. Maqaman markaziyun lil wilaya, it means the center place for the state, the center place for the state. Asimatu, Asimat will be the central place, main place for the state. So Asimatu, capital city. Okay. Then Al Majallat. Al Majallat means magazines. Al Majallat magazines, newspaper magazine. So for magazine, Al Majallat is used. Al Majallat. Jam'ul Majalla. It is written in the bracket Jam'ul Majalla. The plural form of Majalla. Majallatun singular word, Majalla plural form. Okay. Now next word Al Jaraid. It is also plural word. Singular word is Jaridatun. Al Jarida. Singular word Al Jaraid plural word. So Al Jaraidu, newspapers. Al Jaraidu newspaper. And another word for newspapers is in the bracket Suhafun. Suhafun. So Al Jaraid newspapers. Newspapers in Arabic, another word Suhafun. Akhbar we can say, but in Arabic akhbar means news, informations. Not it is not used for newspaper. For newspaper in Arabic, Al Jaraid is used for Sahifa or Sahif. Suhafun. Suhafun is plural word. Sahifatun singular word. Similarly, Al Jaraid in plural form. Singular word is Al Jarida. Okay. So the words meanings are over here. Now another exercise, second exercise number 2, Al Mufrad wal Jam. Al Mufrad wal Jam. Singular and plural. Singular words will be given to you and you will be asked convert the following words into plural. Okay. So we'll have to learn perfectly all these words meaning, singular and plural, everything. So second exercise, singular and plural. Mufrad means singular, jam means plural. Al mufrad, al jam, meaning here. You can see I made it a table like this. Singular word talibun, student. Talibun, student. We learned in that ma'anil mufradat, the words meaning also. Talibun, student. Jam, plural is tullab. You can guess the meaning of this plural word students. You can understand. That's why I did not write. I gave only the first one's meaning. Talibun, student. Plural word tullab, students. Hafilatun, second word hafilatun, hafila, bus. Plural word hafilatun, buses, transport buses. Hafila, hafilatun, hafilatun, hafilatun. So whenever you asked, when you are asked to write or convert the singular words into plural, no need to give the translation. I have given the translation here to make you perfect in Arabic, to make you perfect to learn all these words, singular, plural, everything. Because if you know the meaning, it will be easier for you to learn by heart. Okay. So in the exam, no need to write the translation. You will have to write singular, plural. That's all. Singular. Mostly singular words will be given, and you will have to convert into plural. Okay. So talibun tullab, hafilatun hafilat, buses. Then jadidun jududun. Jadidun new, jududun new. So in Arabic for adjectives in English there won't be any plural. Nouns will be plural. Nouns will be in plural, but adjectives will not be in plural in English. So you should not say news. If you say news, it will become another thing. It will be khabar, news, information. So jadidun new, jududun also new in English, but you have to understand this word is plural. Okay. For example, Al Kitabu Jadidun, the book is new, singular. Now so many books are there. Then we can say Al Kutubu Jududun, the books are new. The books are new. Books will be plural because that is noun, kutub. Jududun, in Arabic it is plural, but in English it won't be plural. We will use only new. Okay. So Jadidun singular word, Jududun plural word, new. For both the words you have to use in English new only. In Urdu you can say naya, naye. You can say because in Urdu, Hindi, plural forms are there for adjectives, but in English it is not there. Plural forms are not there in adjectives. Okay. So jadidun new, jududun new. In Urdu we can say naya, naye. Jadidun naya, jududun naye. Okay. Now we can use these words here. Talibun jadidun, a new student, a new student. Okay. Tullabun jududun, tullabun jududun, new students, new. There is no changes. But in Urdu we can say talibun jadidun, नया तालिबेन, एक नया तालिबेन, तालिबुन जदीदुन, एक नया तालिबेन, तुल्लाबुन जुदुदुन, नए तुलबा, नए तुलबा. So नए we use in Urdu, Hindi, but in Arabic it will be only new only. Okay, next one, Jami'atun, university. Its plural is Jami'atun, universities. Jami'atun, university. Jami'atun, universities, plural word. Okay. Now, next word, akhun, akh, brother. Ikhwatun, brothers. Akhun, ikhwatun, brother, brothers. Okay. Another word is ikhwan also is used. Ikhwan also brothers. But we can learn that word inshallah later. So here you study akhun, ikhwatun. If the word is given akh in the question paper, so you can write akh, ikhwa, ikhwatun, brothers. Okay. Now next word alimun, scholar, educated, alim. अपन भाई एक वतन भाई. ओके वैसे यूज करते हैं उर्दू में प्लूरल में है वो. आलिमन स्कॉलर एजुकेटेड. उलमाओ स्कॉलर्स. आलिमन उलमाओ. आलिमन alim, ulama, alimin, ulama, scholars. Okay, shahrun. Just now we mentioned about this, those words meaning. Shahrun, month. Ashhurun, its plural is ashhurun, months. Ashhurun, month. Ashhurun, months. Not city. So shahrun, mahina, mahina, shahr nahi. Ashhurun, mahine, months. Okay. Now al jaridatu. Al jaridatu, newspaper, singular. Just now we mentioned that singular plural. No, in the words meaning there. Al jaridatu, newspaper. Al jaraidu, newspapers. Al jaridatu, al jaraidu. अखबार, अखबारें कह सकते हैं हम, प्लूरल में अल जराइद. न्यूज़पेपर, न्यूज़पेपर्स. नाउ कुल्लियतुन, कॉलेज. कुल्लियतुन, कॉलेज. कुल्लियातुन, कॉलेजेस. कुल्लियतुन, कॉलेज. कुल्लियातुन, कॉलेजेस. कैन से madrasatun, school. Then kulliyatun, college. Then jamiatun, university. It is like that. So kulliyatun, college. Kulliyat, colleges. Now lughatun, language. Lughatun, language. Lughatun, languages. Lughatun, language. Lughatun, languages. Zaban, zabaneं, लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेजेस. मदीनतुन, हाँ, शहर के लिए जो वर्ड है अरबी में मदीनतुन है. मदीनतुन शहर, सिटी. मुदन उसकी जमा है सिटी, सिटीज. सो मदीनतुन सिटी, मुदन सिटीज. ओके. सो मदीनतुन शहर के लिए अरबी में मदीनतुन कहते हैं, शहर नहीं. शहर अगर यूज करेंगे उसका महीना, उसका मायना मंथ है, महीना है, और उसका उसकी जमा अशहुर पढ़े हम. और मुदुन शहर प्लूरल में. ओके, शहरें कह सकते हैं मायने में. सिटी, सिटीज. मदीनतुन, मुदुन, सिटीज. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड सय्यारतुन, कार. सय्यारतुन, कार. सय्यारातुन, कार्स. सय्यारतुन, कार. सय्यारातुन, कार्स. Then रईसुन, रुअसाउ. रईसुन means president. रुअसाउ, presidents, chief or chiefs. रईसुन, प्रेसिडेंट. सदर, उर्दू में रुअसाउ, सदर, प्लूरल में. इंग्लिश में प्रेसिडेंट, प्रेसिडेंट्स, चीफ, चीफ्स. तो रईसुन, रुअसाउ, जैसे ये मिडिल में जो भी है पूरा प्लूरल फॉर्म है. फर्स्ट वन सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स और लास्ट में मीनिंग से. तो ये सब अच्छा याद करना. अगर अरबी में दिए तो आप है ना उसको प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. मायना अगर मालूम हो तो याद करने में सहूलत होगी, आसानी होगी, इसलिए मीनिंग के साथ मैं दे दिया हूँ. तो इंशाअल्लाह यहाँ ख़त्म करेंगे एक्सरसाइजेस. अभी आगे है ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स वगैरह. इंशाअल्लाह वी विल स्टडी दोस एक्सरसाइजेस इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. इंशाअल्लाह टिल देन, माअस्सलामा, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.